of some sort to get my arm a break from all that ironing, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the link. If you clicked on the link, I'm sure you're interested in the behind the scenes of how I put together the Live, Love, Inspire box. This is going to be the behind the scenes for the December box. The theme is To the Moon, and I just wanted to show you guys just a little bit of my process of how I hand make some of the items, how I create some of the items digitally and all that stuff, and just everything from start to finish. It's just kind of pieces and parts over the last few weeks of how I did everything and got it together. Hey, say hi. She's just hanging out with me. I'm actually getting ready to film the unboxing video for it right now, but I wanted to just make sure I film this intro because I don't know how these clips are. I'm getting ready to edit that video and I don't know how the clips are, but hopefully it all comes together and you guys love it. But anyway, if you are interested in subscribing to the box, all the links will be down below. If at any point you have a question, you can email me. All that information and everything will be down below. Visit www.stationarymuse.com to see all of the amazing products and things that I have. And let's get into the behind the scenes video of the December box. So it's a little bit crazy in here. I'm in the midst of getting the December box packed, or I'm in the midst of getting the November box packed up, as you can see. And this is what happens when I get in my creative mode. It gets a little bit messy in here, but I wanted to show you guys. I'm getting ready to start working on the December box as well. So I'm actually, I use Illustrator, and the drawing that I just showed you of the woman, I'm going to be placing her in here. The woman that I drew, I'm a little bit nervous because I've never, well, I don't know. Like, I'm not like the best drawing person, but I do okay. So anyway, this is her. I'm going to flip her around, but I wanted to show you my process of how I start creating the illustrations for the box. Checking in because I was showing you guys the picture. I've been working on this for hours. My husband's helped me a little bit with it. I'm still working on her. I'm trying to get her face together. I'm just not a fan of how it's looking so far, so I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. So this is what she's looking like right now. I'm just playing around with it, trying to get it together, but her helmet looks amazing and it's really coming together. Okay, how cute does she look? And then I think I'm gonna add some earrings to her because I think that would be kind of cool. I'm holding this with my hand and there's no way for me to show this, but maybe I can. Let's see. She's gonna have some little, actually I might make them round. Let's do a round stud. guys, I am currently working on shipping out the November boxes right now, in addition to getting ready for the Black Friday weekend. And then I'm also getting ready for a giveaway that I'm doing the week after that, so hopefully you'll have seen this, because this video will go up, of course, after that's over. But I just wanted to show you guys how, kind of my process of how I do things. And so today I'm actually taking a little bit of a break from everything so that I can start getting geared up, because I'm going to be announcing this month's box on Black Friday, which is, as of now, today's Monday, so it's about 4 days away. So I just want to take some pictures that I can use to kind of, you know, show the box a little bit. At this point, I haven't created every single product. I know everything I'm going to be doing, and I kind of how my creative mind works. I sit down, I write everything down that I kind of think I want to do. Sometimes I might research some stuff, get some inspiration on Pinterest and different things like that. And so through this video, you'll slowly start to see the different items as they get created, and you'll see it all come together. But I actually already have a list of what I'm planning to do in the box. And so one of the things that I'm doing is this cute little 2019 decal that I cut out that I believe there's a clip of it. And so these, I want to take a picture of them all scattered around. This is a simple setup. If you are trying to do your own business and you are like, oh, I need to take some pictures or whatever, it's so simple to do. I have, when I adjust the camera, I'll show you, but I have a tray from my dining room that we eat on. And then this is just a big board, not even that huge compared to my body, I'm sure you can see. But this board, it's just something really simple. When I'm doing like a smaller scale photo like this, when it's just going to be like a square and I don't need a lot of detail or a lot of things in it, I just tend to pull this out, put it right in this tray. I got my light on over here, I got my windows open, and then I'm just going to scatter them all out. So I'm going to switch the camera around so you guys can see me do it. It's been a while, but I'm checking in with my behind the scenes video. Right now my machine is cutting the script stickers for this month's kit, and I accidentally did it the wrong way, so I'm a little bit irritated with myself. But anyway, this is going to be kind of like my sample. I always print some samples that I like to show off, and they are also the ones I end up sending to my PR people, who, depending on who it is. So I have PR with Lisa Mac Plans and also the Purposeful Planner. So both of them share the box with everybody and their followers and everything, and so I'm creating the stuff for them and also for the pictures. I'm going to be showing everything off. I'm at a point where I'm getting ready to start getting busy with this box. I haven't showed as much behind the scenes as I was hoping, just because I don't even think to pick up the camera sometimes when I'm working on stuff. But I just finished the sticker kit, so I'm getting ready to print out the full sticker kit. I'm getting ready to work on the shirts because I have a shirt for this box. And so one of the fun facts is I actually make the shirts here in my office. As this box grows, of course, I'm going to start looking into other alternatives, because I know it'll start to become a lot for me to just sit there and do that and have to like iron each one on. But when you're wearing a Live Love Inspire box shirt, just know all the love that it went into the shirt, because sometimes that iron-on material can get on my last nerve, okay, y'all? But anyway, so right now I'm getting ready, like I said, to print out the sticker kit. The sticker kit for this particular box is kind of like a mini kit, I guess you could say. It's more functional, so I definitely pulled some functional things in there, but there's some decorative stuff. This is my first time actually doing some like overlays as well, foil overlays. So it's going to be holographic foil, and they're kind of like that transparent sticker paper. Also, everyone is going to be getting, because I don't even know if I've mentioned like everything that they're getting with this box, but you're going to get these little confetti packs. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to put the confetti in. but this is what it looks like. It's kind of just like, this is not really the best angle. I'm filming on my phone, so that's why I can't really like flip around easily, but this is what it looks like. And so I want to be able to put the confetti into something. I just don't know what I want to do it, and I might just end up putting it into like a clear cello type of thing, but this is all part of the behind the scenes, is the packaging, and I always want stuff to be cute, but you also have to be cost effective as well. So there's always that thing I go back and forth with myself every month. Ooh, geez, okay. My cart was behind me, and I definitely thought there was like something behind me, like my dog walked in here. Okay, anyway, so I'm off task. But anyway, that kind of freaked me out for a second. So then I'm also going to be doing these little handwritten notes. Everybody's going to get a handwritten note from me. One of my favorite things is snail mail. I love it. So everyone's going to get a note from me with just some encouragement for the new year. And inside of there is going to be like a little, just an additional thing that's not really going to be advertised or anything that you'll get. So I'm not actually even going to talk about it on this behind the scenes video. You will see it on the unboxing video, which will go up after this. But there'll be like a little something in the card that'll be extra, and I think people will like it, and you'll be able to add it to pretty much anything. I'm also working on a goal planner and finishing that up, so this is where I'm at so far. This is like my rough draft of what I'm working on, so you can see this, it's all cut off, it's not perfect. This is the kind of process that I go through, but it's going to be a half letter goal planner. I'm going to be stapling, again, I'm hand making all of these, printing them, folding them myself, and all that, but this is kind of my starting point of what I'm working with, and it just says my goals are my everything, and I'm just playing around with it, and it's going to have this really pretty kind of like constellation background, which is throughout a lot of the stuff in the box. I already have some of the shirts. I need to order the rest of the shirts, but it's going to be a black shirt, and it's just going to be really simple and just say goals across it. It took me forever to figure out what I wanted this shirt to say, and I just decided to do that because I feel like I don't want the stuff to be corny. I want people to feel comfortable wearing it. I don't want it to be like super glittery. Like, I like glitter, but you may not like glitter. So if you ever wonder like why the shirts are kind of more on the basic side, because I want to be able to cater to anyone. So if you are kind of girly like how I am, you want to dress it up, you can always add accessories to the shirt. But if you are more just toned down, you like just something really simple, you can just wear the shirt with anything, and you don't have to worry about it being like too overdone or too much. So I always keep the shirts very simple to try to cater to everyone. So let me ever know if you guys have suggestions or things of how you would want to see the shirts in the future. I try to do a shirt, if not every other box, maybe like every 2 or 3 boxes there's usually a shirt. I just think they're kind of fun, but they also, like I said, they're time consuming, so that's why I don't do them for every box, and I'll end up doing like a different lifestyle item of some sort to give my arm a break from all that ironing, okay? So that's pretty much it, and then you'll be able to see the unboxing video that will follow this video. But I hope that you enjoyed this behind the scenes of how I get this box together and what all goes into it. But like I said, this theme is to the moon, and you can literally do anything to infinity and beyond. And it may be corny, but that's what the whole point of it is that you can reach any goal, anything that you feel that you want to do in 2019, in 2060, whenever, you can do it. And so I try to just make sure I incorporate all kind of inspirational things throughout this box to remind you of that, with the shirt, with the goal planner, with the what am I even talking about? With the confetti, so you can celebrate, you know, like celebrate your small victories. Of course, the confetti is more like catered towards, like, you know, Happy New Year and all that stuff, but you can use it whenever. I actually am probably going to end up putting mine into like a confetti dashboard for my planner or something, so that's going to be like a DIY thing you can always do. And I might film a video of that too. That might be kind of fun. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to get on here and to share what goes into this. I absolutely love inspiring women, and I cannot say that enough, that is what I'm here to do, and I try to do that month after month. And this theme, I just wanted to end this year with a bang, and I hope that everyone that receives this box will be so pleased and just feel the love, because I just want you guys to know that this is going to be your year. It's cliche to say, but seriously, it's going to be your year. You're going to be able to do everything it is that you want to do and more, and I hope that this box will just be one thing to help encourage you just that much more that you can do it. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.